What do you want to say?
I've got a Japanese candy box.
She's got a Japanese candy box for her birthday from Granny Nana, but we can't get everyone in the shop, so we're just going to focus on Miicah because it's her box. How much was it, Mum?
About £24, I think. It was quite a lot.
Ari, can you get me some scissors or a knife?
Yeah.
Oh, she might be alright. But this was what Miicah chose for her birthday. We've got that one. Any scissors, Ari?
Oh, some hair.
Yeah, bring them over. Don't worry, Miicah, we got scissors.
We can put there.
We've just shut Fox in the garden with Ben, but he'll probably come in at some point and annoy us.
Bum, bum, bum.
Oh, they're very, very well sealed. How long did it take to come, Mum?
About a month.
I'll leave all the links down below. But we literally just searched kids' subscription boxes, and this one popped up, and this is the one that Miicah chose. Why did you choose this one, Miicah? Because it said candy? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Right, Miicah, you ready to open it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Whoa. Oh my goodness, it is packed.
So it's very, very full. I don't know if we get a...
Those don't look like candies.
I don't know if we get a thing to tell us what's in it.
Yeah, I never will.
Oh, there's something at the bottom. There's lots of stuff in here. Let's see if we've got a thing that tells us what's inside.
And
Does it?
I think it means.
Yes.
Oh, it does. Okay, go on then, Miicah. What's your first thing you want to try?
I'm gonna go
Just pick one of these.
this one.
So that one is shaved ice candy.
Ooh.
It says Shirokuma is a famous speciality. It consists of shaved ice topped with fruits and condensed milk and syrups.
No, I don't want one.
Oh, it looks like a chew it. It's the same texture as a Mawam. Mmm.
We'll put them over here then when we've...
Mmm. That's good, isn't it?
Oh, that's all wet. I'll put them in there. I'll lean them up, shall I?
Mmm.
Is that delicious?
Chewy.
Chewy.
Very
Is it
chewy.
Nice.
I can't. It's not going anywhere. It's really fruity.
I don't really like it.
You don't like it, but Miicah does.
Mm-hmm.
Right, okay. Right, what are we going for next?
It's just not going anywhere. Oh, it's got like a. It's gross been in my mouth. It's got like a.
Swallowed it. Yum.
It's got like a jelly bit in the middle.
I think you swallow it. What are they, darling?
This one?
Looks like buns.
Which
No,
ones
no.
are these? It's like a little man on the front.
Buns, him there.
All right. Milk Anpan soft cream snack. Anpan is a traditional Japanese bread that usually has sweet fillings. Indulge in these bite-sized snacks filled with a soft serve ice cream. Perfect, cool and refreshing treat.
Mmm.
Are they nice?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Oh, good.
If you put them in the fridge, they'd be really good.
Yeah.
Right, let's put those over here then.
Mmm, those are delicious.
Okay.
Right, what's going next?
A fish.
Right, the
Why
Poku Poku
I want
Tarizaki chocolate wafer. It's a must-try fish-shaped summer street food in Japan. It's filled with aerated chocolate cream. The crunchy outside wafer with the soft filling inside together makes a very pleasant and mouth-watering contrast in every bite.
Mmm. Mmm.
Well, the chocolate's gone to one side.
Have a bite.
Mmm.
Is that good?
It's like an arrow.
Right.
Mmm, that's yummy.
That's called a Poku Poku.
That's Miicah's. Right, what's next, Miicah? That one?
Banana.
This big one?
That is
So it's got a chili on it.
a spicy chili tomato, sweet and spicy chili tomato chips.
You want Mummy to see how spicy they are?
Yeah.
Remember, Mummy's spice tolerance is better than yours, so. Not all.
What's the verdict? Oh,
No
right.
spice whatsoever. Literally
I'll eat
none.
one if me
No spice. They're nice though.
Good?
They're really good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they like those. That's
Bit
good.
spicy.
What's next?
Bit spicy. This.
The blue one. That is an Abe Ice Ramoon candy. Get a taste of Ramoon, a carbonated drink in Japan, especially popular during summer festivals. Each melt in your mouth icy Ramoon candy piece is refreshingly cool.
Yeah, cool.
That's weird. Try one of them. There'll be no calories in that. It is cold.
Yeah. Yeah. That's weird. It's cold.
Work.
It's weird, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah. It's cold. Weird.
Oh, they are weird, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's quite pleasant.
Yeah.
It's gone.
Right, Miicah, what's next?
It's dissolved.
You've got 5 left. This one?
Which one is that one? That's that one.
Yeah.
Pucho and Shigekic's lemon and plum chewy candy, special edition.
Ooh.
It's got a sour gummy bit in the middle.
Ooh. I want a lemon. I want a lemon.
Red one or yellow one? Ari just fired.
Lemon or plum?
You can't open them. How to open?
Your pen.
Open it.
You got it?
Yes.
Nice.
Is that lemon curd?
Oh, right.
I can't even open it. That's lemon.
Okay.
Very lemony, is it?
I love lemon. I love lemon.
It's nice. A little bit sour.
Not sour at all.
It's nice. A little bit sour, Ari. You haven't got to it yet.
Yeah.
Not like unpleasant, just a nice, really lemony.
I'm gonna have some virus.
Go get your own juice, please. What's next?
This one.
Oh, that's that one, is it? A Sakeru long peeling grape gummy. Oh my goodness me. That's a long.
What colour do you think it is?
Blue. Blue or red? Purple.
How about pink?
Pink. I can't even choose the other one. Kinda.
That's very grape. Quite nice.
I do not like the smell.
I do. Very synthetic, but very nice.
We better put those back in there as well. And then they're all in the box.
Yeah.
I can't choose.
What's next? We've got 3 things left.
I know it's that one, but I'm gonna have that one.
What was this one?
That is it this one here? A
Yeah,
Dubanjiang
corn snacks.
corn snacks. They're light and crispy corn puffs.
Yeah.
Are flavoured with a
That was
Chinese chili
disgusting.
bean paste made from fermented soybeans and hot chilies. Best paired with a refreshing soda to balance out the
Not
spiciness.
spicy at all.
Oh, they look a bit like fat Wotsits.
Those are amazing. The
Are they
texture of
fat
them is lovely. That's the best thing so far.
I want to taste that one.
They are so good.
Oh, I've got chopsticks.
What's the next one?
Banana.
This is a
Bee.
Black
Hey,
Thunder
Annie.
banana chocolate
I'm
bar.
not going to taste it because I don't like banana.
This
You
is
like
up to-
banana bread?
This is up to Mummy.
Oh, that's yummy. It smells really good.
I
It smells nice and banana-y.
Oh, it does.
She just got the chocolate. Don't taste like anything.
It's because you didn't try it. Aria literally just went like this. From a distance. Do you want a tiny bit?
Tiny bit you can have it.
Just eat it. You eat banana bread. It's no different. Oh, she didn't enjoy that. What do you reckon? Right, Squeaks, your last one. What's this, Granny Nana?
A sweet and sour
Uma beef.
yakiniku
snack. Uma beef.
umami goodness of yakiniku or grilled meat in these crispy chips. Each sweet and spicy crunchy piece tastes like delicious barbecued beef. Tastes like barbecued beef apparently.
There'll be no calories in that either.
No,
Try that.
I don't.
Oh my god, that literally tastes like beef.
Does it? Well, Ben will like them then, won't he? I think Aria likes them. Do you?
Oh my goodness, those are amazing. They literally just taste like a slice of beef. Really good. The crisps, I think, were the best thing. All the crisps, I think, don't you?
Where?
What do you think the weirdest thing was?
The little
candy
white
box.
things are really weird, weren't they?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh no, they were really nice as well, weren't they? The ice cream balls. Put them in the
Yeah.
fridge, babe, because then have them when they're cold.
What about the
I
cold
thought you
things?
liked those things as well, didn't you?
Yes, all the crisps were really good. Yeah, these cold things were weird, weren't they?
Yeah, we've got this.
We've got
in
one
the
thing
bowl.
left in the bowl.
Yeah, it's a cat. Hello.
So yeah, that was the Japanese candy box.
Right, come and do a thumbs up or whatever.
This is fun.
Mind the tail of the cat.
Great.
So yeah. Miicah, do you want to come and finish your video? Aria, it's not yours to eat, mate.
Gonna go on the trampoline.
So you go on the trampoline then, mate.
Jump on top of Daddy.
Miicah, you come and finish your video. What do you say? What do we say at the end of the video? Thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. And we love you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.